here, Dr. Otto von Kulshank, your friendly alien Scientologist, puts dangerously above the rising sea level. Rising because Area 71 is siphoning off the energy of the sun into some liquid byproduct. Who knows what it contains, but it's killing everything. Well, now I come back to Area 61, and what do I find? I find that finally the government has listened to me. They are decontaminating the flying saucer at Area 61. Look at them. They have brushes. They are wiping it down to free it from contamination. Only now they are listening to me. But it's too late now that we got a full-size rocket at Area 71. Come on, people. We need to progress. We need to evolve into the future, or we're all going to be like rock